Okay, and now I am planning to separate this part from this metallic big part and this area in this brake disc area, and that's I have to hit in here hard. And now I need a big hammer. This is maybe too weak because I have to hit in here hard only this area. This is the point, and that's if I have my one of the favorite tool, Viking areas hammer from Norway, my relatives from Norway, and they used that kind of hammers 1000 years ago. And when I hit this in here, then this part it could open because now it's stuck. And now we need protective this hearing protection, 3M's protector, and next I will hit this area hard. Okay, and look, my target point is this one, and I like to separate this. Let's look what happens. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it really works. Great. And let's look closer.